So you guys purchased a tune from Boost Dynamic Tuning and you guys received your cable in the mail. So now you're wondering what to do next. Well, let me show you. When you guys order a Boost Dynamic remote tune, this is what you'll be receiving in the mail. So you'll get our cable, which we use to flash it, along with the cable that plugs into your laptop, along with instructions going over explaining what you need to do or get prepared to tuning the car, and of course 2 stickers to represent. Everything that I'll be explaining today will actually be on this sheet that is provided in the package. Alright guys, so let's get started. First things first guys, we are going to need to put a charger or battery maintainer on the battery while we flash the car. So, positive is always first, negative last. Just imagine it, if you're going to a party, who do you want to show up first? Alright guys, first things first, we need to download Teamviewer onto your Windows laptop. So let's go to Google, type in Teamviewer. We're gonna hit Windows, because we have a Windows laptop. And then we're gonna download Teamviewer. You're gonna press keep down here if it asks you. Press the exe down here to actually install it. We're gonna do default, and this is for personal use. Accept and finish. Security stuff. Alright, so now this window has popped up. How do you know if it's working properly? You have your ID and your password. That means you're connected to the internet and everything's set up properly. You are now going to take a screenshot of the screen you have here and send it to me. And now I'm going to log into the computer and start controlling and setting up your laptop for your tune. Alright guys, so now I've installed all the programs onto your desktop and it's time to start flashing. So I've asked you to plug in your cable and turn the key on engine off. So let's do so. So now that you have plugged in the cable to your computer and the car, now it's time to turn the key on, engine off. The key is on and the engine is off. After you have done so, now I'm going to install the tune and wait for it to fully finish. Once it has finished, I'm going to ask you to turn the key off. Key off. You're going to wait 10 seconds should do so. And now the car is reset and all your adaptions have fully restarted. So once we finish flashing the tune, I'll let you know to unplug the cable, start the car up, and go take your Boost Dynamic tune for a rip. Alright guys, so I want to finalize this video and let you guys know we are very thankful for your support over the years. And if you guys have any questions on what's going on, what you have done to your car, and what tune is going on there, just give us a call or message us on Facebook, Instagram, or even Gmail. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care guys and stay tuned.